Yummy. Hello again, constant learner. You want to be a full stack developer, front end developer, back end developer, insert thing here, developer. You tried the universities. They're a wee bit old school. Not like my good self, of course. You've tried these boot camps and they promise you great success within, what, 3 months? It's never going to happen. You can't learn anything in 3 months. You can't even have a baby in 3 months. And you think you're going to learn one of the most difficult things on the planet in 3 months. It doesn't happen. Good things take time. So this is where we, in this channel, are going to do things slightly differently. We're not going to learn things quickly. We're going to learn slowly. Take our time. Splendid. If I've got the time, you've got the time. I'm old, you're not. And even if you are, there's still plenty of time. Let's do things right. Let's start from scratch. Over the next year, I'm going to be releasing 1 video per week, every Thursday. HTML, CSS, of course. JavaScript, of course. React, absolutely. And in the back end, we're going to be looking at servers. We're also going to look at serverless. Splendid. Yeah, a bit of serverless technology in there for you. NodeJS. Well tasty. What else? Express.js. What else? What else could we look at in the back end, do you think? Sani. We could look at Sani, which is, which is a thing. What else? Anything else? There's loads of stuff to look at. The point is, I'm going to take you from 0 to hero over the course of this year. Pretty cool, right? From 0 to hero over the course of 12 months. And we're going to start right now in July 2023. And we are going to take our time and do it properly, aren't we? Say it after me. Say it after me. Yes, Tommy, we are going to do it properly. Say it after me. Yes, Tommy.